Qcells Solar Panel as the best overall solar panel of 2024. With 22 years in the solar module industry, Qcells, now a part of the Hanwha Group, operates factories across Asia and Europe, supplying technology to over 40 countries. Their panels boast efficiency rates of up to 22.5%, making them a top choice for residential solar energy. Qcells has earned popularity due to the high quality and affordability of their equipment. Research from Solar Reviews reveals that 66% of solar installers offer Qcells panels, increasing the likelihood you'll receive a quote for these modules. The standout Qtron panels achieve a maximum efficiency rate of 22%, showcasing the brand's innovative approach. Experts at Solar Reviews have named Qcells the best solar panel brand, giving it an elite rating. Whether you opt for the high-performing Qtron panels or the dependable Qpeak Duo series, Qcells provides options to suit various needs. Each panel comes with a 25-year product and performance warranty backed by the financial stability of its parent company, Hanwha, ensuring long-term reliability. Qcells panels excel in temperature performance, losing only 0.25% efficiency per degree above 25 degrees Celsius. These modules are not only durable, but also lightweight and flexible, outlasting many competitors on the market. One of the most impressive features is their high-tech aluminum alloy frame, designed to withstand harsh weather conditions like heavy snow and strong winds. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.